everyone, Chef Emily Ellen here, a chef and culinary educator who won Cupcake Wars and is the cake genius for Cake Central magazine. I'm often asked, what's your go-to oil and shortening for baking? Well, that's easy. This girl wants to bake her cakes and eat them too, so that's why I grab the soybean oil, often labeled vegetable oil in the grocery store, for a few reasons. First off, the FDA's heart health claim confirms that soy may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. And secondly, it's super versatile. Soybean oil can go from savory to sweet without missing a beat, and it's great in everything from my dad's famous chicken to our family's favorite zucchini bread. And growing up on a farm, we had tons of zucchini, more than we could give away or eat, until my mom developed our much beloved zucchini bread recipe, and she always used soybean oil to ensure that the sweet zucchini taste shone through and it stayed delectably moist. And that's why I still use it in our zucchini bread today. To get that recipe and to learn about the benefits of cooking with soy, go and read my blog, Cooking with Soy is a Joy.